Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll do a quick demonstration on how to measure the pH of sushi rice using the Sushi-pH-Deluxe-Kit. Your pH meter should be calibrated ideally before use, if not at least once per week. The Sushi-pH-Deluxe-Kit comes with everything you need to perform this, and if you're unsure of how to do so, see the video link in the description. Today we'll measure a rice paste made from 50% rice and 50% distilled water and some freshly acidified sushi rice. We also have some distilled water for rinsing the pH meter between measurements. Turn on your calibrated pH meter. Starting with the paste, all there is to do is insert the pH meter in and wait for a stable reading. The recommended pH limit for acidified sushi rice is 4.6 or less. This is to inhibit the growth of pathogenic bacteria. At any time you can press the hold key to keep the measurement on the screen. After the reading has had some time to stabilise, we have our first reading of pH 4.54. Between measurements, we'll rinse the meter well to reduce the risk of any cross-contamination. Onto our second sample of the freshly acidified rice. Insert the probe and wait for a stable reading. Our meter quickly stabilises and we have our second pH reading of 4.42. After use, remember to always clean your pH meter thoroughly. You can use warm water and a mild soap or detergent. Then rinse well and store the electrode back in the gel cap. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.